In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best natural cash discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for natural cash discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retrieve.com. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that you can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount off, all you need to do right here is select copy code. And this is the promo code that you can copy and apply on your next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Penny. So right here we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get the discount. For example, we have this one with 10% discount. All you have to do right here is select show code, and right here you have just to wait for the coupon code to load up, and after that you will be able to copy it and apply on the next purchase. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to wait, then click right here, and this is the promo code that I can copy from right here and apply on my next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. For being here in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.